off now. Yeah, I see he's got his door open.
Through that there's a lot of rocks to hold the trail in place. And then when we get the rocks up to a certain level, we're going to fill that in with dirt. And as you can see, there's a lot to do.
This is the next rock on skid.
Perfect.
We can do that.
It was either going to be at the gate if it was closed or up on top if it was open.
So where are you trying to get to?
To
The Soledad Canyon?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to do that?
It's amazing how quickly it's changing, like in moments. Okay, dig in.
Figure out why I don't think it's sitting.
There's something not sit right.
Can you stand on this?
Can I stand on it?
Okay, we crush this and it'll be fine. Is that still?
Otherwise,
Does
we're gonna
Izzy
be-
cover that area, or is he just?
Do what?
Does Izzy cover the wilderness too?
He covers everything for me, but he has to talk to the district ranger, and there's a wilderness.
Oh, nice. I'm gonna do a bit of tread work here to wrap up the day. It's kind of tight here, so I'll cut the slough, widen it up, get rid of the berm here so that the water sheds off instead of coming down. Let's have a look at the rock work up here. People trail, horse trail, water trail.
They're refusing to acknowledge. Two types of trail work. There's days like this where you spend all day on distance. As we know, we do a lot more of
Hehehe